What up, babies? I'm back again. I'm back, y'all, with another real-time video. This is a different video for me, but it's a necessity. Bars. For those of you who saw the community post yesterday, as well as the lack of a thumbnail on my candle review last night, y'all should have known this was coming. Hopefully, this video will help someone in the future who comes across this problem. Okay, so I had my video scheduled for 7 p.m. like I normally do. And I went on my page for something, like it it don't matter, Shay, just get to the point, okay? You know I'm long-winded. I realized that my thumbnail was gone. My channel flashed with this, you have a community guidelines violation. And I'm like, huh? So I click on it and they're telling me that my thumbnail, this one right here, violated community guidelines due to nudity and sexual content. Let me make sure I'm getting the verbiage right, okay? I don't want to misspeak. It says, oh, pardon me. It says, we think it violates our sex and nudity policy. So I'm like, huh? There was no cleavage shown or anything. So I appeal it. And I'm like, did I start drinking yet? I don't know if you started drinking yet. I think I did have a drink or two. Did I? I did. I had a drink, y'all. So I typed back on the appeal, I'm confused. This thumbnail is an emoji with clothes on. Please help me. Something to that effect. Real simple. Didn't think nothing of it. Because, huh? So, I'm looking to see if they're going to return my shit. I'm looking and nothing. I'm like, the audacity. All right, so I go to bed because I got to get up in the morning and go to work, y'all know. So I get up about, 3 o'clock in the morning. You know, this old bladder. Anyway. And so I happened to check my email and it said, okay, yes, we reviewed your content and we have decided that wait, let me get it right. I don't like to speak wrong. We have reviewed your appeal for the following content, blazel. And after taking another look, we can confirm that your content does not violate our community guidelines. Hercules, mama's happy now. Huh? So I'm happy and peppy and bursting with love. So I go on my page to see my thumbnail, this infamous thumbnail, and it's not there still. And I'm like, huh? So I check the email again and there's another violation. I'm like, whoa, are you kidding me? So I had to appeal it again. And the minute, y'all, I am not playing with y'all. The minute I hit the enter key, I get an email saying that, yes, you're right, we're wrong. Here's your thumbnail. 5 minutes later, they took it away again. And I'm like, wow. So I said, okay, I'm up now. I sent another appeal. I'm like, third time the charm. Help me, please. Because I am fully clothed in a soccer uniform. It's an emoji. What's going on in America? Another violation warning. I'm like, wow. So, okay, now I'm up now. I'm up. The old girl is up. Okay, professional mamas is in the house, and I'm like, okay. So I decided to make a new thumbnail. But in the appeal, I'm telling them what I'm going to do, because I think we have a glitch here, is I am going to change the thumbnail once you remove this warning, okay? Please. So after 4 appeals, 1 thumbnail switcheroony, it finally worked. And I know y'all probably like, mamas, no. We still see a channel violations warning. Now that's because I didn't refresh. All right, you ready? Magic. Magic, y'all. And there's that new thumbnail. Yeah, so all is well in mama's house. Yeah, but for those of you who may encounter this in the future, or may be dealing with it right now, I hope this video helped you. Because I was looking for something like this. I was looking for an explanation. Not that I explained nothing, but y'all know what I mean. You may run across a problem like this. And I was on YouTube trying to search to find somebody who had an issue like this for some guidance, and there was nothing. So hopefully I can help some of you babies out there. All right? So this is what you do. You get this email about it has to be your first warning, though. I don't know how to handle it if it's a real strike. This is a warning. This is only for warnings, right? You get a warning about your thumbnail. You know it's not sexual. You know ain't nothing wrong with it, right? You got to be confident, though. You appeal it. If it comes back, yes, you are right, and then they do the okey doke on you, make a new thumbnail, appeal it again, say inside the body of the appeal that you are going to switch out the thumbnail once they remove the warning, because you feel like this is a glitch. When they come back and say, yes, you are right, we are wrong, immediately change that thumbnail out. Because if you wait an hour, it's over with. It's back to a warning. Okay? Okay. So, now, because I helped y'all out right here, help me out and hit that like button. And if you're inclined, do the rest of that stuff. But only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House Gang. We lit over here. We have fun. We laugh and we smell candles. Okay, that's what we do over here. All right? Okay. So, that's it. That's all. And having said all that, having said all of that, I will see you babies later. I love your guts, and y'all be good.